Historically, as hunter gatherers, before our modern civilization, we were not eating 24/7 like we are today. It was very normal to, hunt, gather, have your meal, and then not be eating. And so today, we're often just eating constantly. We're snacking, there's food everywhere. And what that does is it consistently releases a hormone called insulin in our bodies, which helps to store the fuel that we're eating, but it also prevents us from storing fat from burning fat. And it also creates a state of energy toxicity because we're constantly having all of this energy coming in. We're not actually burning our own. It just creates a really toxic state for the body metabolically. And by fasting, you actually tap into your own body fat stores. So you get energy from yourself. You can switch into this state called ketosis, where your body generates an alternative energy source called ketones, which are like an amazing way to fuel your body and especially your brain.
Yeah.
So there are just so many benefits to fasting metabolically, just for the entirety of your body. And people think they'll be hungry because they think they're not eating, but like I just mentioned, with fasting, you're tapping into your own body fat stores. So you're actually abundant in energy. So people
Yeah.
often find that their cravings go away, that it's just easier to more effortlessly eat how they want and lose weight.